Hello everyone, how are you guys? Hope you're all doing so well. Here is my Samsung Galaxy S6 and I've got my Marshmallow update yesterday about 20 o'clock AM internationally, and it's about 6 or 7 hours. So here, yes, I have got my Marshmallow update. So I've been thinking about it for 2 or 3 months. I've been hearing this Marshmallow update, Marshmallow update from so many people, so many friends. They're all talking about this thing because they are using Nexus 5, 5X or 6P. So they're kind of pain to me because all the time they're talking to me about I have these cool features, I have these features, or and you don't have this. But now I have got it. So guys, here it is. The interface is pretty good. The background color is now, icon color is now white, and the notification panel is now totally white. This is the main change in this interface, and there is pretty some cool features. So here you can see the notification settings. Here are the applications that are notifying you time to time, that like if you're having a mail, that instantly it will notify you on the notification bar. So in this, from this step, you can just disable the applications you don't want to get notified by. It's kind of something, it's kind of annoying, like if you're in the messenger or in the email, like you, if your email is attached to the Facebook, then you will get the notification just about 4 or 5 times an hour, because if someone liked on the Facebook or someone comment on the Facebook, you will get a notification. So just from here you can just disable it. Like if I want to disable the drive, dogs, or email, I just can disable it like this, and then that's all, and I don't have to get any notification from this, and the end of annoyance. So it's cool. So that's one thing. So here the another amazing interference is like the, if you tap the power button for too long, like 2 seconds, you will get this. It's kind of so cool to me. I don't know about you guys if you like this interface or the Marshmallow 6.0.1, but I kind of welcome it because all the new things to me, it's kind of amazing, because I'm using the Lollipop for about 6 months or 5 months, but I don't like it. But now it's a Marshmallow, so it's kind of cool to me. So here's the three notifying and three icons, one power button, restart, emergency mode. But from Lollipop, one is now just, it's like it's gone. But in the Lollipop there was four icon, so here it's now three, and the background blur is cool to me. So let's see, the multitasking is now, I don't know, it's always fast. So I don't can describe how much faster it's got, but Google is saying that it's gotten faster. Like I can just tap in any other applications like these. And in the themes, I've seen that in the first time I have got 4 themes or 5 themes, but now, including default, there was 5 themes, but now I have seen the 4 themes is now available along with the Marshmallow update: blue, metallic, metropolis, gold, and black, and walking in the like this. So in the, let's see, in the settings, so here is, the Android version 6.0.0, and it's about 1217 MB, and it took me about 1 and 10 minutes, sort of 1 hour and 10 minutes approximately, and it took me to install and update and install. Total time is 1 hour and 10 minutes, but I think it's actually depend on the net speed of your broadband line or the data connection you're using, and I'm using 2 Mbps of broadband line, so it took me this sort of time. So if you're using faster internet speed, then I think you'll need less time to download or install it. So, and there is an interesting game on the Android versions, like in the Lollipop you had. So in the Android version, click sometimes and it will start the Marshmallow game. mm, Tap it for some time. and the game pops up. Let's play. Oh, it's kind of hard to me. I try a lot, but I think it's a new feature, so it's not so bad. Okay, that's these features. There's another interesting feature included in this, like you can, if you went to the settings, you can optimize the applications you want to save power. So here in the battery, so details, you can see the application which are consuming your battery's use. So if you want to less the battery, if you want to get more power from your battery, or to enhance the battery level, or go through a day, so I think you should disable it. Like if you click on this, it's show you three options like auto set power. It will, if you're not using this application for 3 days, it will automatically disable. On the other hand, if you fully disable it, it will not consume any power from your battery, or it will just like backgroundedly it will just disable. Always save power, it will just optimize this application, and this application will use less power. And you can just say, you don't need to tap all the application one by one. You can just click on, you can just select as you wish, and just then you can just off, then you can just turn off or on. So this another thing is RAM. So we always see in the Samsung Galaxy S it is 3 GB of RAM, but sometimes it seems that some application will consume more RAM. So if here, from here, you can just see how many RAMs it's consuming in the last 3 hours. Like here it says no RAM memory, in the memory part is saying no RAM used in last 3 hours, and the battery used since last full charge is no consumed, because I didn't use it for some times. So let's see which application I have just used here. I think the camera, let's see the camera. So here it's saying that 3.6 MB used on average in last 3 hours. So it means that 3.6 MB is being used from the last 3 hours from the RAM. So if I want to stop this, if I see that some application is consuming so many RAMs, I can just force stop. Here you can just force stop. So that's all. So let's see, the interface is good, and some people are talking about, or the Google is talking about, that the camera is now pretty much good. The focus is now very enhanced, and it's always, I think it's always the coolest camera. See, it's always focusing very good. If I selective focus, I just can select this or that. So that's all. Another, I think it's interesting to me, interesting feature is that I don't need to move the application from my home screen like this. If I want to move any icon like this, I just need to here move application. I just tap it on the move application. Now anywhere, any kind of place, I just need to put it, just drag it from there, and now put it. That's all. Because if I want to put it manually, if I want to drag it manually, it will take me some time. It's like an annoyance to me. I don't know about you guys, like I just need to go and slide all the page like this. But now these features is helping me a lot, because some people always customize their home screen a lot to move freely or move fast to, or to search the items faster. So that's all. I think that's all, guys. So thank you.